my frame of reference being a woman in a male industry does come in play. I was actually treated very well by the men in positions of authority in the construction industry. And I think it was a refreshing change for them to see a woman show up at a drop trailer with a submittal of whatever I was selling at the time, which in the beginning was products, and in the end it ended up being software. But either way, it was kind of a refreshing change because that was different back in those days. So that worked in my favor. I was always very, very professional, and I, made sure that I brought my A game, and probably just like any other underdog or perceived underdog, I over learned what I had to learn. I studied, more than I had to perhaps, and really understood the business very well and what I was selling. So that helped a lot. So, there's that. And then there's also discrimination. I did experience discrimination. So I've dealt with that. Like I said, I was treated well by the men, surprisingly. And this is, potentially a little bit controversial, Natasha, but as I rose up the ranks in the industry, I'm almost afraid to say this because I know it's, gonna probably hurt some people, but it's not my intention. My intention is that it'll help people, is that I received some really discriminatory, reactions from women in my tier as I moved up, not from like administrative staff. I always got along great with administrative staff. And, they were very much the wind beneath my wings, in a lot of ways. And I really appreciated them because I had come from that world when I first started out.